Thank you, Dr. Vandana Kumar. Thank you, Som Prakash ji, for your very kind words. Adil Bhai, Vikram, Jaideep, other distinguished participants who have contributed to making Udyog Manthan such an outstanding success, ladies and gentlemen. When this idea first came, I had no clue whatsoever that my department, my colleagues in the ministry, and all my friends from industry will collectively make this such an outstanding achievement. What a grand success. I truly feel like celebrating today. 2 months, the labor of love of all of you, Vandana ji, you, your team, Secretary Guru Mahapatra, Adil Bhai, all the industry experts, the motivational speakers, industry participants, at such a short notice, you were able to pick up the idea, you were able to implement it in true spirit. 46 webinars on sectors covering 70% of the economy, as you just told us, including some of the most important sectors like steel and textile and pharma and defense, aerospace, most relevant to India, and sectors with the greatest international potential. Carefully woven together, experts from each field coming in to contribute their might. Line ministries, and imagine, for those of you who have dealt with government, to get so many line ministries involved at secretary level, at senior official level, that they actually participate, pick up ideas, cull out the juice out of the discussions, and make productivity and quality a national movement. Compliments to all of you. I truly don't have enough words to express my gratitude both to the government officials and team which participated with so much enthusiasm, and all of you friends from the private sector who made this happen. I remember when Prime Minister Narendra Modi would always focus on quality. If some of you may recall his comments right from the time of zero defect, zero effect, when he linked quality and sustainability. Right from the time he often talked about how quality should define the very Indian mindset and the very Indian capability that we are all proud of. And for him, it's a conviction, it's a matter of conviction that India should engage with the rest of the world on its own strength. And that strength will come from cost competitiveness, which will be a direct function of high productivity. And that can, both these are only possible if the focus is on high quality. And I, for one, believe quality is not an accident. Quality is a painstaking effort, a result of a painstaking effort from every person, as Vikram said, from boss down to the person who serves us tea in our office. It's a collective organizational effort. And in the context of a country, it's the psyche of the country that needs to be changed. The entire mindset of our nation now should move towards accepting quality as the prerequisite for our future development and growth. And quality cannot be distinguished between what you sell in India, what you sell to the rich or to the poor, what you sell internationally, what you sell to the US or Europe, vis-a-vis what you sell to a less developed country. You either are a quality producer or you are not a quality producer. You are either a quality service provider or you do not provide good quality service. You cannot look at a brand name and decide that Swiss watches are high quality. You know, a Swiss watch is a Swiss watch and will be high quality. So even if a Swatch comes out with a $20 watch, the world makes a beeline to buy it because it's a Swiss guaranteed quality. Even a simple thing like the Geisha girl toy in Japan will be a high quality toy. It'll have smooth edges. There won't be any safety concerns, no health concerns. It'll be well, beautifully made to a quality standard. And to my mind, as Mahatma Gandhi had said, a small group of determined and like-minded people can change the course of history. And all of you on this effort, this Udyog Manthan webinar series, 46 of them spread over 2 months, are people with that courage of conviction that we will change the destiny of India. We will further the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision of Prime Minister Modi. We will make sure that brand India gets identified by quality, and we'll engage with the rest of the world on the strength of our cost competitiveness and high quality, be it in goods, be it in services, be it in every sphere of human activity. India desires and aspires to be a world-class support to the rest of the world. I think the details that I was seeing about the different sectors, the participation, the buzz that you have created, it's truly heartwarming. I must mention that the idea came to me from a friend in Mumbai originally. Some of you may know Nayan Patel. He's active with the Indian Merchants Chamber in Mumbai. And on a conversation in the midst of the COVID pandemic, he highlighted the importance of quality and productivity to me. And somehow it just caught my fancy, my imagination. I shared it with the Department for Promoting Industry and Internal Trade. And I'm delighted that they picked up the idea, implemented it extremely efficiently with high quality standards, ran the entire webinar series seamlessly. I was seeing some of the promotional material that was prepared for it. It's truly good quality. I was seeing some of the outcomes that have come out so far, high quality deliberations, and I have no doubt in my mind that the compendium that you take out, most probably digitally, will act as the starting point of a larger debate in the country amongst more and more well-meaning people, will help industry segments have a continuous education and training program within their sectors. Cross-sectoral linkages will be recognized. So construction has a huge linkage with cement and steel. Robotics would have a huge linkage with medical devices. Pharma industry would have a huge linkage with healthcare. And collectively, with these intricacies and the linkages recognized, we will be able to seep into 135 crore Indians the message of quality and productivity. We will make this our mission in life. And I will only like to conclude by saying, with my own experience in industry, I can share with all the participants, quality never has any cost. Quality is a win-win story. In fact, quality reduces cost. Quality enhances productivity. It brings down cost, makes you more efficient, expands your market, gives you economies of scale, gives you consistency in product and service, eliminates wastage. Systematically, you are able to grow. Quality is non-negotiable. And if we want to make in India, if we want to serve in India, if we want to make and serve the world from India, quality is a given. And I appeal to all of you, please remain engaged with this effort. Please help us make this a national movement. Let us also, through a dashboard, continue to monitor the activities that these various teams we have put together work on. Let us also collate stories of how people have benefited from this Udyog Manthan series on quality and productivity. To my mind, our work does not stop here. Our work starts here. This should be the beginning of our journey. More dialogues, faster action, pilot projects, large-scale integration of quality in our Indian ecosystem, and a huge on-ground impact that will truly define the success of the seeds that Udyog Manthan has sown through the collective effort of the government and the private sector. My grateful thanks and acknowledgement to all of you who participated in this. Thank you very much. May God bless all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.